participated in some art shows, but when it came to the point that I would like people to see more of my art, and you have to expose yourself to other people if you want to sell some items. So I actually use my husband's office. This is the waiting room, and I bought shelves. I like these shelves because they has some little wheels, so you can move it any way you want. And actually I prepared this display mostly for auction I was participating in, and I needed to figure out, like, to organize everything I have for sale. So what I done, like, here I have some jewelry, some painted stones. Here I have my paintings, and here another paintings. Frames, different colors of frames. It gives your painting a new meaning, a new life. And look how actually it's beautiful, and it's important for presentation. So some painting I prefer to put in frame just to increase the beauty of painting. Not all of them, but it's up to you to choose which one you want to put in frame. For your presentation, you can use this little stands or bigger one. It's up to you. And it's quite convenient. Looks very presentable, very beautiful. I made a couple of this, like mandala type, for my friends with initials inside. So you can actually make any type of mandalas and create your own projects. So this is my stones. Some of them were sold, and I don't have all of them, but it's interesting, this type of stone, it's actually pouring art. So whenever I had leftovers from another project, I use to practice on a stone, and it calls negative space, so why not? So whenever I have some extra paint, and this one actually has blue top and colored bottom. So always, like, some fun for you. And also this one, this is two techniques. So I use pouring art. So I use some colors to pour on my stone, and then I use some mandala dots, and I call it a spring. And voila, I have some ready to sell summer or whatever jewelry. And this is earrings, and very simple, not expensive, because it's mostly fun. They are beautiful. So I have pairs of this, and also, like, look how beautiful it is. Any shape, any type, on a cord, some fantasy of mine. And here we have some pendant, very beautiful. And also it's a set, you see. So this is what happens when you have some extra paint, extra time, and you can actually create your own jewelry. It's very convenient because whenever people come to the office, they see this, they see some pieces of my art, and they bought some stuff, and I'm very happy. Of course, it's too much probably for one shell. And here I was preparing some stuff to raise money for Ukraine and Ukrainian theme, and I'm gonna show like Ukrainian theme in some separate videos. But it's very convenient, and anyway, you can move this shell any way you want, and you can organize. You see, it doesn't take too much space, just a little corner. So if you don't have a special room, or if you don't have a store, or if you don't have a tent, if you don't participate in any art show, at least you can have this. Start from this and show your friends, invite your friends, have some party, and this is how it starts.